here in the 505 Turbo, I had the cruise control actuator. The rubber on the old original one tore, and they're not available new for the 505. And so I found this unit for a Jaguar XJ40 available from S&G Barrett, and it actually fits well. It's just a hella part. The difference is that they have this adapter, and their part has a different metal piece. And this rod is the stock piece for the Peugeot. Now, at some point in this car's history, it lost the plastic bit that holds and retains this rounded piece. So someone bent it like that, and I don't have a better option, so that's what I'm doing too. Maybe I could straighten it out and it wouldn't pull through, I don't know. But the way S&G Barrett or Hella or whoever does this, this feels almost like a 3D printed piece, the way it's built, and it's very brittle. And when I was trying to pull the metal part off for the Jaguar, it just broke. And so I drilled it through and used a pop rivet just on this. And quite frankly, that actually went better than I expected, and it would be good, but the little plastic bits under here that hold it in the groove were also looking like they were gonna break. So I just put this zip tie on it. It looks super janky, but it seems to do the job, and it's keeping that from pulling off. So we'll see how that goes. This just seems to stick out farther. I don't know if it's the plastic adapter, because this was originally riveted just directly onto this piece, so there's an extra at least a ½ inch there. But I needed to make up the difference. So this zip tie is there, and actually, frankly, it ought to have another something to make up the difference. This right here, this adjustment is just, that's all the way short, so I can't take up the difference there. But it works. This is also kind of janky because I've got this longer than normal piece that replaced the preformed hose that was there, and it's just in the way otherwise. So again, I've got a lame looking zip tie just pulling it out of the way for the time being. Hopefully I'll eventually just cut that shorter, and it'll just kind of conform to the right shape. But for the time being, that's how it is, and it's working. So it's nice to have cruise control again.